Hey there, YouTube. Welcome back to the man cave here at 2A Acres. Got a little project today, and something special. I do a little bit of rifle and pistol builds here, and we've got one on the bench today. So, let's see what we have here. Yes, a stripped lower. Looks a little funny, though. Ooh. Mag well's a little small. What's that? We're building a AR9 pistol. See, up here we have a complete upper, side charger upper. 7.5 inches. A nice flash hider. This is a KE Arms lower. It's quite an expensive lower, but what's neat, I don't know if you can see this, but ambidextrous bolt relief. Takes the Glock fun sticks, the Happy Mags. So we've got all the parts laid out here. Heavy buffer. It's a blowback operated, but it does go into a buffer tube. SB3 blip brace. It is legal. Some Magpul MOE. Pistol grip. A enhanced polished trigger. Now, as everybody knows, small channels, we get in trouble if we show people how to assemble or modify weapons or whatever. So I'm just showing you a layout, and then I'm going to snap my fingers, and that pretty redhead that does my editing, she's going to instantly, through magic, you're going to see a nice rifle here. So without any further ado,